Welcome back. Let's make a Macrame Heart Keychain for Friendship Day. So let's start by attaching two cords of 75 centimeters each with reverse heads knot to the clasp. If you're new to knotting, you can always practice on a dowel or a pencil so that it's easier for you throughout the project. List of materials used and the knots used for the project are also mentioned in the description box. Take the outer cord on the left side, keep it diagonal. This is your anchor cord, and the second cord is working cord. Take the working cord over the anchor cord and make a loop and bring it inside from the loop. So we do the same thing twice. That's how it makes a double half hitch. Now we will repeat the same thing on the right side. Anchor cord. Now the working cord comes over, we make a loop, go through it twice. Now we will close the center and make one more double half hitch. You can see it's a small V shape has come. Now we will take one more cord, fold it in half and secure it with the T-pin near the knots in the left hand side. So keep one side up, the other side keep it diagonal to use it as an anchor cord. Here we will make two half hitch knots. So we have to make sure that the knots come exactly below the top knots. Similarly, we will attach one more cord on the right hand side and make three knots here. Now you can see one more V shape is formed directly below the first. So now we have two 75 centimeters cord left, one for each side. Take the outermost cord on the left and use it as your anchor. Tie the 75 centimeters cord onto it using as reverse lark's head. Now we need to create a second knot next to it. So take the right strand of that cord, bring it over the anchor and pull it through the loop. Do the exact same thing with the left strand. You will now see that the two knots side by side. Now gently slide the entire group of knots towards the second V. Now repeat this exact process on the right side with the last remaining 75 centimeter cord. Gently shape the side downwards to give the top of the heart a nice curvy finish. So now we will start filling the heart's body. Set aside the two outermost cords on both the left and right sides. Take the third cord from left to use as your anchor and make three double half hitch knots moving towards the center. Repeat this on the right side using the third cord from the right as your anchor, but make four double half hitch knots to close the center gap. Bring the second cord from the outside down diagonally on both sides to use as your new anchor. Make four double half hitch knots along it on the left side. Repeat the exact process on the right side using the second cord from the outside as your anchor and make five double half hitch knots to secure the bottom. Now we will finish the heart before our gathering knot. Take the outermost cord on the left to use as your anchor and make a double half hitch. Here the additional step is to take that working cord you just used, group it together with the anchor and hold them as one. Use this growing bundle as your anchor for the next double half hitch. Repeat this until you have made 5 double half hitches. Now I'm making the fifth one and the last one for the left side. Now repeat the exact same process on the right side to make 5 double half hitches. Now this is the fifth and the last one for the right side. Now to close the heart, turn the keychain to the back side. Take your 45 centimeter cord, fold it to make a small loop and hold it over the bundle just like I'm showing you. Take the long cord end of that and wrap it around the bundle 3-4 times. I'm making 4 rounds here. Next, bring the end of the strand through the bottom loop and pull the top strand to pull the knot up and hide it behind the wraps. It's good to check the finished look from the front side before cutting your gathering knot cord. So I'm hiding the tail with the tip of the scissors. Now I'm cutting the fringes to 2 inches, but don't throw away your fringe pieces just yet. Take your longest piece of leftover fringe, mine is about 25 centimeters. Separate just one strand from it, fold it in half and attach it to the keychain clasps using a reverse lark's head knot. Have your name or initial beads ready and we will slide them onto the cord using a darning needle just like I'm showing you here. I'm also adding a cute smiley charm, but this is completely optional. Once your beads are on, secure the bottom with a basic overhand knot and trim the extra cord. If your name is long, you can always cut a longer piece of cord to start with. But I hope this gives you a great idea of how to measure and personalize your own keychain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.